Greetings and salutations, YouTube family and friends. T-Rev Vlogs here. What's up, guys? Well, here we are, the last full day here in Branson, Missouri, and we've decided to go out and take ourselves a little nature hike, kind of get to know the area where we've been staying for a while. So, first, let's begin by checking out this cool scenic view. Yes, we did stay a little ways outside of Branson proper. However, it doesn't take long to get down there and check out all the festivities. Usually about no more than a 15-minute drive. But the view alone is so worth it. Got myself in a really good workout this morning, but the workout ain't over. It's time to get that cardio in and get some stepping going. See you around. You know, just kind of spitballing here. A little greener, a little less trees in the immediate area. This could almost resemble the rolling hills of the backcountry of England. I mean, kind of gives a similar vibe. Not quite as breathtaking, but I mean, still something to sit and observe. It's very nice. found this nice gentleman over here, offered me a box of chocolates. Thank you, Mr. Gum. We're here at track number 4 for bumper cars. Oh, here we go. Bam! T-bone! Oh God! Well guys, that's gonna do it for the series from Branson, Missouri. It's been an incredible week, and I have to say it went by entirely too fast. We did so much during our time here. Still a few things we could check out for next time. We're already kind of making a list for things we might want to check out next time we're in town. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that you saw. I know I had a blast filming it for you. I had a blast experiencing it, and hopefully you guys stick around for more. I don't post as much as I used to. I'm sorry for that, but I do hope that you enjoy what you see and that anything that I do in the future will also interest you as well. So once again, thank you guys for checking out this series from Branson. Thanks to Bob and Brandy for taking me along for the ride. It was an absolute fun time. I can't wait to do it again in the future. So for now, that's really all I have to say about that. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys soon, and take care. Bye-bye.